Trauma they're gonna put in there. Ooh, the whole thing.
We're getting there.
Yep. Those glitches are definitely doing something. It seems to be expanding.
Let me find that out though.
What is this? It's spreading. What is going on?
It's those glitches, sir. They seem to be finding more of them.
If they were to spread into the mainframe, it could jeopardize the entire machine.
Okay, that's it then. Let's just cut our losses and shut their extraction down, get them out.
Yes, sir.
Right away. It's not working.
What do you mean it's not working? Just get them out.
Sir, those glitches are blocking that command.
Then what are our options? Can we reboot the system?
We've never done a reboot while extracting.
Especially with people inside, it's way too risky, sir.
We could possibly lose every extraction.
God damn it! Is it possible to communicate with them?
Yes. Yes, we could broadcast their signal up to us, sir.
Set it up, and bring me all the information you have on these two.
He seems really stressed about our glitch hunt.
Good. Let him sweat.
So, what story do you think we'll go through now?
Last one was mine, so probably one of yours.
Yes! I have so many good ones.
How can you be so excited by all this?
What? We might as well enjoy it while we're here.
Yeah, there we go.
We got trapped. Like what?
Okay, there's nothing to worry about. Everything is under control.
Are you absolutely sure?
We heard you may be experiencing some issues with the machine.
Issues never does.
No, everything's
Never
fine.
does.
We need to remind you that we go public in 6 weeks, Raider.
We'll be under intense scrutiny. Not just from investors, but from everyone.
I'm well aware of that.
How did 2 people even get into one pod in the first place?
Don't worry
Just
about this.
have some faith in me.
Keep us updated.
Okay, I'm still in the Troll.
Why are we always transforming into something when we do a break?
It is fantasy.
Oh,
I'm so.
Oh my god! Is this
that's
her?
kind of hard.
Zoe!
Oh, lucky.
What have you
I saw the
done to
purple
me?
too. Knew it was me.
Relax. I can explain everything.
Where are you?
Do you see the golden light?
Oh, how small.
Yes.
Man.
Over here.
Oh my gosh.
Yup.
It just ain't
I'm
no
a
way.
fairy. It's cute,
I just
huh?
like mine, you guys. Personally.
Why did you turn me into a monkey?
You know, you can turn back into your human form. Like this.
How did you do that?
Just think of your human form and you'll transform.
I don't want to be a monkey anymore. Don't make me human. But it worked. Woo.
We're shapeshifters. Amazing, isn't it?
This is a nightmare.
We're
Give
shape
it some
shifting.
time and you will come around.
Just tell me how we find the
Look
next
at you.
glitch.
Let's find a way to meet up
Yeah.
and I'll tell you what the story's about.
I thought it would be better if I didn't have this fat ass chess piece.
Was it
Like,
necessary to make me smell like a
Oh,
dog?
good. Let's just find a way to meet up.
Never mind.
Oh. L2.
God.
Chain jump. Oh.
No, it's just alright. Cool. So monkeys not swim? No, humans can't swim. Gotcha. No, neither one of these. Oh.
You shifted into multiple things?
Yeah.
R2 shapeshifted.
Okay.
Okay, so that's very human. I am a tree.
I am Groot, look at us.
Oh, so I'm a tree and a fairy, and you're a
I don't know, a salamander and a monkey.
Grow the tree. Oh,
I'm a force
this
of nature.
is so cool. This is so creative.
Bugs.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't know fall.
Oh, and I can smash. Cool, cool, cool.
Okay.
Drop the pleasantries.
Wait. Cool. Oh my goodness. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know what you got to do. I'm a salamander. I'm a salamander. I'm about to say, you gonna jump over it? There's something there. Looks like you gotta hit that.
Yeah.
Oh, you know something.
Yeah.
Just swim. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Swim.
Never gonna forgive you for this. Some fresh air will do you good, city girl.
Oh, maybe I need to be my true self. I thought it was gonna stop. Are you alive?
I'm dead. I died, man.
Okay, I'm not going like that. So I got it.
Rock and roll, Boulder.
Damn. My bad.
I didn't think. I can't even blame you on that one. I didn't think it was gonna come down like that.
Not so bad being a shapeshifter now, huh?
I feel violated.
You know, I took inspiration for this story from when me and my sister were younger. We used to imagine we were different kinds of animals and...
Can we just skip to the end?
Oh, come on. I was just in your story and I didn't complain.
You complained.
I say you definitely did. What are you talking about?
Anyway, welcome to the Underlands. Once upon a time,
so happy to
in
hear.
a far
no.
distant land, magical creatures lived together in harmony until the evil Ice King arrived and cursed the land with ice, threatening all life.
Let me guess. Our quest is to defeat the Ice King in order to break the ice curse?
Exactly. Okay then, let's go save the world and find that glitch.
You for the talk.
But you heard Raider as well, didn't you? The glitch seems to be blocking them from shutting us down.
And Dash is
And
a.
he seems a tiny
a
bit
monkey?
eager to stop us from finding another one.
That's an understatement.
At least now we know that we can actually break the machine and escape.
I just don't play.
I'm a human. I'm trying to land on the rock. Should I be the tree? Not too there.
Yeah, well, I would, though.
Did I make it that far?
I don't know how many jumps you got. Excuse me.
Shit.
Terror bird up ahead. That's a rare bird of paradise, Neo.
And I'm supposed to care.
Ain't supposed to do that again.
Thank you, sir. God, my head.
Oh, you're trying to.
Oh my. Please stop throwing me into. Yes, it.
Birdie.
What the heck? Well, yeah, but you throw me when that spiky thing is there. I need you to wait until it's gone.
Yeah, but last time, where are you trying to go?
Go. Launch it. Look at. Oh my goodness. My poor head. Thought you were. supposed to jump on top of it. Haha. And climb.
Sorry to bother you, beautiful.
But I smooth about to dive in there as a human. This is kind of cool.
Right. Sorry, one.
Hey, use the button in a little minute.
Shapeshifting seems to come naturally to you.
It's humiliating.
Can't you try and think of something, anything positive with all of this?
Well, my pollen allergy doesn't seem to trigger in here.
Can you turn this around? Hurry. Shit.
My bad. Get off the.
Oh, what? Okay. We're on that one. This one. This one. Oh, that's why you're behind.
I tried to, and they just wouldn't turn around.
You got the hang of it.
Seems to be a fairy. Well, that can't be right.
Oh, I see it. I see it. No.
Why?
I missed it good.
I need this flower. Oh, Lord.
Yeah.
Another flower. Okay, hold on.
Ow. Okay. Bro, I was about to say.
Okay, you got this. You got this.
You gotta go into there, into
the spiky stuff?
over the spiky stuff, onto this other.
Wow. Oh shit, my bad. There we go.
Sheesh.
Am I supposed to go where you are? Or above the spikes?
Above, I think.
Okay.
Oh, I'm supposed to pour it down for you. Gotcha. Okay. Oh, you got all the puzzle ones.
I like it. This is very fitting.
Okay, and I can just grab the. Okay.
Oh, I was jumping. I didn't know how I thought it was gonna be lower. Alright.
Keep it up, and I'll find you a banana. Don't.
So I know you're not gonna let me grab Blizzard down. Oh shit. Well, them prawns was ready to give me.
Refreshing. Wait! No one's above the law of the jungle.
Okay, let's see. I need to get a tree for this. Oh, a carrot. There? Oh! Are you pulling me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Yeah.
Ah,
Okay.
damn!
Tow me slow and steady now, please. Right.
Oh, the piranha is
Slow and
like
steady after me.
just following
I heard
us.
you the first time. I just don't want to become someone's brunch.
Oh wait, hold on. Am I gonna stay?
Yeah, just gotta hurry.
Okay, okay. Yeah, okay. Yep, I got another.
Where's my thing at? Where'd my thing go?
Is it on the end over there? All on the end?
Oh.
Okay. I'm quick. Ready?
Go, we go.
Go!
Oof. Hmm? Something over there.
Is it just me going over them?
Oh.
Is that an R1 one?
Yeah.
I see.
Oh. Oh, you are. I'm coming. I'm coming. Wait, what am I supposed to do? I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Oh, I was supposed to bring mine back over there. Wait, no. Yeah, I'm kidding.
I'm a little stranded. 25. Okay. Let's see.
My bad. I understand it now.
I know. Oh, you're supposed to bring it over so I can jump back on it? Alright. You got this? You got this?
Damn. Oh.
Did that seem like...
I wouldn't
I
even.
was waiting till you're like right next to me. Clearly my depth perception.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, he's hilarious.
I didn't even like fully see what happened. All I saw was you just jumping.
I thought I was...
Hey man, I ain't got room for your big ass.
Okay. Hey, y'all don't see me.
Thought you missed it again. Are you low enough?
Yeah. I hope so.
I was gonna nibble on your cheek.
Ahoy, Captain! Another side
Hey!
ahead.
What the hell was that?
While the Ice King does need to be
I'm gonna
dethroned,
assume you gotta jump from there to.
refreshing.
I think. Or do I gotta jump on those?
Get on the boat. Okay.
Yeah, I think this is my problem. I gotta do with this. Yeah, I think you're supposed to jump on those poles.
Oh, I thought. Did you do this?
No. Oh, might have side mission. Yep, so I gotta wait for you. Sick. You're sick, sir. You're sick. You're sick, man. Oh my god. I broke it. I broke it.
Shouldn't we cleanse that side story?
I don't know. The Ice King won't be defeated by
You did it, man.
Yeah, I realized it's too late. That would need to be a theory. I still think I realized it too late. Okay. Hold
What's
on.
going on over there, man? Damn, I done broke the game.
I'm not dead?
There you go.
Build that.
It's a glitch. That's a real glitch.
Okay.
I don't even know where you're at. I didn't even see that. I think I may need to turn around. Or I can come find you.
I think this, I need this flower.
So this is truly a side quest then.
Oh wait, where is it? Where are you?
I'll confirm you. Ah, shit. And now I think of it, you could have came over here. Yeah, you just went the different ways.
Oh, I want to go through you.
Well, you gotta come back then. You have to
Where?
jump on these poles again. Damn, Cam. Hold on. Wait. Turn my camera so I'm running into the wall.
Oh.
Don't look at my ass yet. Man.
You gonna let me get in here? Wait. I just had to fly towards it? Like I'm scared. I flew.
Are you? Oh, yeah.
Oh, there. That's weird. I don't know what I assumed that they were like not. Wait.
I think you would, yeah. Camera, bro. What the fucking, bro? Look the fucking.
What?
I had our damn. Oh, that's so annoying. I had our controller audio on, so the clips, they all have this microphone in the background.
Oh. I'm sure you just turn this way to turn it off.
Well, I mean, it's in the recording, though. I can't take it out the recording.
Ah, damn.
I'll have to worry about that. I'll worry about that later.
Well.
Whatever. Are you with me now?
No.
Yes, you are.
I am?
Yeah. So you just need. I know.
Where we going?
We have to. You have to fly over to that thing, to the green screen.
The lighthouse over there?
No, this thing.
Oh. Are you gonna fix it here?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be a. Okay. What is it?
Maggie.
Hey, so we really could like miss a bubble?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's a true side quest. If I didn't go this way, what the hell?
Oh no, no more flying.
Actually quite nice. Don't get too comfortable.
Oh, so it's my side quest in your world.
How you know it's yours? Oh.
Got some technology.
Okay, we're here to stop a bomb train from reaching its target.
Is this like a train heist?
A sci-fi train heist.
Sure. Whoa! Incoming mine!
points.
Oh my goodness. Damn. I didn't.
That's the train security defense. We need to blow it up.
Like a violent train conductor?
Yeah, more or less.
The bomb is at the train's locomotive.
All right, let's get it. Do a barrel roll or something.
Oh, barrel.
After it!
Tried me.
Shit.
So you just swoop into my screen, swerving.
Side the block.
Should have went after, I guess.
I tried to go over.
Damn.
Damn.
Do a barrel roll or something.
Can't do no barrel roll. Oh, I can do a barrel roll. Huh. Yeah. Alright, so well, I tried to go over it.
I did go over. I was doing good.
Oh, for real? Oh, okay. So you could choose to go over or under. Over might have been easier.
There, catch that train.
What is the point of y'all destroying your own structures, bro? I'm gone. Oh my goodness.
Nice. We got this.
Let's go through this.
Man, can I get something to fight back, bro? They're just shooting.
All I do.
I knew it. Didn't jump high enough.
Oh no! What do we do? Get your wings ready. Attack formation.
Now that's an
This is one of my stories.
Get on that train now. Don't lose your balance.
Easier said than done. Jesus. Where's my sword at? I need to get busy.
Almost there.
Oh, I knew I shouldn't have done it. They don't spawn me to die.
Grab a ship. On it.
Oh yeah, time to get active.
Let's get it.
What in the world? What in the Galaga is this?
Oh, God. I'll die. Out here.
Get that power up.
What power up?
Get the job done.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't even see that.
I got hit by the first one.
Oh.
Now we're talking.
You got it.
bang, 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 bang. I don't even gotta aim it. Oh, these are homing missiles? Crazy. Bang, bang. Dang, you got the big button?
Oh, it tracks. Oh, I didn't even know. Download. Oh, I've been clicking it this whole time.
You've been clicking it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, you and Malik are just the same. That's exactly how Malik plays Marvel Rivals.
I wouldn't know if I was just must like, damn, like my finger hurts.
Then y'all niggas be doing a whole workout.
My fingers start hurting. Like, I wonder it'd be so nice if I could just click it. That is so. I'll pay you go 76.
I'm holding it every chance I get. I never click a trigger.
Okay. My wrist is hurting.
Go ahead, die for me, my boy. Appreciate you. Finger's doing a whole workout. Just over there, just.
Yes. I was like, how am I not keeping up with you? Oh, goodness.
Oh my goodness.
That sequence would fit in a movie or something.
Well, I'll be there opening night.
You would?
No, too violent. Way too violent.
It's okay to be a little violent.
Anyway, let's dethrone the...
I should have used my damn fairy powers.
I clicked the wrong button. Oh my gosh. All this damn pong.
Well, I say my goal was to catch you in the. Let's see.
I gotta admit, the simulated version of my world looks pretty spectacular.
Yeah, too bad Raider wants to snatch it.
What is this movie?
Pink stuff from the clown mall.
Ah,
Oh, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
Pretty spherical birds.
it's like it's. Oh my gosh.
Do I gotta take the egg or do I take the...
Is that a spider? It's been a spider this whole time? Oh no. I don't like that.
I have a duck or a chicken, a bird. I don't know, maybe I could throw it through. I don't want to throw you.
Wait, throw it. Don't.
I didn't throw it. What?
Alright, I like you.
Was I supposed to like smash it or something? Possibly.
The bird?
Yeah. Oh wait, no, wait.
Wait, I can grab you.
You can grab.
Yeah, can you jump into the flower?
Can't you grab that?
Uh-huh. That's funny.
Okay, and then let it go. Oh, wait a minute.
I think it's supposed to hit that. Maybe I didn't pull it back hard enough.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Go, Featherball.
Don't. No.
Haha.
Wait. I'm about to say back to you.
Roost here.
Okay, you ready?
Say go.
Oh, okay.
Oh, see, we just gave him birth. That's all. He's got a little CTE. That's all.
How the hell did it survive that?
Exactly.
Fantasy. And they're fluffy.
Fantasy or not,
Type
it's still a
beat.
bit cruel.
Exactly.
I might have to rewrite this part when I get the chance.
Mm.
The last part.
Great. You've led us into a dead end.
Just
I
door.
can't believe it.
Oh, please tell me you know where to go. Zoe? Zoe!
Sorry. I just wasn't expecting this when I left home this morning.
Whoa.
Neo, meet Lord Evergreen.
That's a
Oh, I
weird
see
name
it.
for a leaf tree.
The face.
I borrowed the name from an old tree me and my sister used to climb. You know, every summer we used to...
Look. I'm sure this means a lot to you. But do I have to remind you that we're stuck in a simulation? We have to move.
Okay, fine. We need to go inside Lord Evergreen.
You never know.
Seriously?
Yes.
I can see it.
And it is only the true friends of the Underlands who know the secret passcode.
Who's face?
That's his beard. That's his nose up there. Got some eyebrows. Or I'm tweaking. One of the two.
It's your story. You lead the way.
Happily.
That's definitely a face. That's definitely a face.
Nah, full eyebrows.
I mean, there were no eyeballs, just like little eye
How did
sockets.
you get invited to Raider Publishing?
I got the email the same day as I got rejected from another publisher.
On the same day?
I'm used to it. I get rejections all the time.
The life of a struggling writer. I can relate.
Where did I jump then? School fiasco.
Oh, this is gonna kick ass.
Oh, I forgot I was a damn monkey.
Get back.
Get back.
Merge with nature.
Okay, this is the heart of the forest, the very essence of the wilderness.
I don't know how to say
Sounds
this.
intriguing.
Behold,
Man. Literally became one with nature.
I'm sorry now.
Hey!
Why?
Knock it off! Show yourself!
That's crazy. It's gonna whip me in the back of my neck. I see how you feel. Damn.
Is this me?
I guess so.
Is that you?
Yup. I'm like Mother Earth now, and I make the rules. Sort of.
Okay.
Okay.
Interesting.
No,
So
we're like
you control the environment now?
Yes. See me as your
extend
almighty
track.
guide.
This one.
Take me to the exit.
Please don't kill
Sure.
me. She's
But
like,
you forgot to say please, tiny Neo.
I just knew he's gonna
And
let
don't call
go.
me tiny.
Stamina trap, rotate.
Oh, do I gotta be a monkey? So do.
My bad. It said rotate. I thought I was asking to rotate.
Well, you can move and I can just jump.
Oh no.
But, you know. Like, get your monkey ass on there, bruh. Alright, bro. Okay, take a second. See, I can't even get my thoughts together because this damn controller.
Oh, my bad.
I can't get on that one.
Is that supposed to get that one right there? Can you like walk around him?
Nah.
My bad.
I just don't. Unless the only way is if you help rotate when I jump.
Alright, you go to the far one?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Alright, we're good.
I think you have to hold on. Practice like rotating the whole thing. Like use your left stick. Yeah.
Why would I get L and L? Okay. When it was rotating in my head, it was like never mind. It doesn't make sense now, but it makes sense.
Alright, so yeah, so you gotta rotate.
Got it.
Yeah. Shit. I didn't know you were doing that, my bad.
Okay. Jump. Can you like give me a warning?
Well, I'm trying to go off of you because you're the one that's doing it.
Wait, ready? Let me go. Extend. I thought I was gonna say.
My bad. Okay, I'm waiting for you to tell me to jump.
And go. Go. I'm gonna say go, and then I'm gonna do it. Go. Go. You reached that one? No. Oh.
Yeah, so I just need that one below me. Yeah.
Oh, you see. Sorry, I've got to be going. Say go. I'll say go. 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 Okay. Go. Go. Okay. Here it is. Go. Go. Come on, like right. Oh, you just right.
Okay. Now relax. Just drop. Thank you.
I forgot I had the ropes.
Let's go.
Okay, go. I thought we had a
I felt the go, and you just you didn't. I didn't know you were waiting.
Okay, hold on. Okay. That's not it. Not make sure. Go. Go. Hold on. Go.
I can't jump that
Oh,
far.
you're right. Why don't we just... Okay, hold on. Yo, you need this one.
Go.
Right, hold on, and start. Go. Go. Check this one right here. Seconds. Cool. My bad. Okay. Move this.
Oh,
Move this one, right?
I think I could jump on top of it. Let's go.
Let me...
Yeah. Okay. Okay, now just jump over here. Cool on there.
Do you need me to twist it, or do you... Are you ready?
Yep.
Set, go. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Set, go.
Cool.
Oh,
Cool.
cool.
Oh my god.
Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. That's my fault.
That same
that was my fault.
jump. Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go. Ready, go.
Jesus Christ. Well, I could have died by those. Oh my goodness.
Yes!
I didn't know what I was saying.
I didn't even see them guys.
I gotta like think about like how... What?
Yeah, to tell me what to drop.
Okay, right.
Thought you were just gonna click it.
Why am I-
There's a middle point. Yeah.
Okay. I thought you were fasted. I'm sorry. Ready?
Yeah.
Set.
Oh, wait, let me drop it, then you click it. Cause I have top
Okay.
in the air.
Okay. You're right.
Oh my goodness. Might not have much precision, but it definitely uses some brain power. Mm. That's you. Oh my god.
Oh,
Despite the simulation pickle we found ourselves in, I do believe we'll be all right in the end.
But we have no idea what it will take to escape this mess.
When in
Okay, so
doubt,
how am I supposed to get out of
choose
here? Can I just
Not
punch
you
it?
when I say this, but I think your positivity might be...
moving, inspiring.
Yeah, that was not where I was going.
Remember,
Did
no
I
one
see
offends
something?
Mother Earth and gets away with it.
Please don't kill me.
Oh, I see it.
I was over. My bad. In my head, I had no. Okay, let's see. Oh, there it is. Oh,
Like I was that far anyway.
yeah. Okay. Oh, we didn't start. Okay, where do you go? This way?
Yeah.
Maybe not. Oh, yeah. Have you patient? One left. Or rolling, right? Boy, hold on.
The bark.
Guys, and no. You know, I didn't give you a warning.
Damn it.
I'm just gonna go off of you. Just run. Just keep running.
All right, stomp that stump.
War.
On your feet, Mio.
I wish it was like right like this.
Mmm. Oh,
Yeah,
I feel
crunchy.
you. Ooh, she said crunchy?
They taste a bit like wool.
Oh, I thought you were going that line.
Boy, kill me.
On the mine?
Yeah, just shoot me.
Where? Oh, shoot yourself.
You're making my fur pasty.
Yeah.
Clearly.
Sorry.
Something's vibrating.
Whoa. That's different water levels.
I see this being higher. Or lower.
Jesus. Whoa.
Needs to be higher?
Yeah. Woo.
Yeah,
I'm at Jesus. I don't know what I am.
You're a salamander.
I thought I was, but I don't know. That don't look like a rat.
Maybe not a salamander.
Don't get caught.
God.
Please try to stay alive.
Thank you. Wait.
Or maybe you have to go underneath here.
He doesn't see me. He doesn't see me. He doesn't see me. I'm moving. Oh my God. I'm moving. Bro, you didn't see me, gang.
Oh,
What's so
how you want to
cool? But that one didn't see. Oh, okay. I didn't know there was some down there. I don't know where the other one's at. Oh, I see you. Okay.
Oh, yeah, it's alright. Like, I'll wait here.
Go, no, you didn't see me. You didn't see me. You didn't see me. You didn't see me. Being all dramatic and shit. You didn't even see me. Oh my God! What the hell? Should have turned to a monkey and beat their ass. Got in there really get physical. Look, Mother Nature's back.
Hey.
Did you miss it? Oh yeah. Knew it. Whoa. Now walking trees. But of course. Yeah, that's sort of right. Sort of. Hey, there's a side story coming up. By the way, Zoe, for a story about an impending ice age, like, where's the snow? Well, the Ice King's reach hasn't gotten to these parts yet. Why? I don't know. But shouldn't the bad guy have more presence in the story? If I ever want your feedback, I'll let you know.
Talk to him, Zoe. What?
I didn't know they were swinging.
Oh, they are.
Maybe not.
I didn't think so.
It's, I mean, actually, it shouldn't affect me as much as it did, but for some reason, I like.
I was trying to fool my chest.